Hey everybody, today I've got a Volvo 2012 S80 with a 3.2 liter engine in it, and I'm going to show you how to get the oil filter out of it. The oil filter is a canister style down in there, and the problem with these is these things have very little coolant lines here that are kind of plasticky that you might break, because what they want you to do is they want you to take out the power steering reservoir. But I'm going to show you how to, when you pull this power steering reservoir out of the way, it still doesn't get far enough out of your way. So I'm going to show you how to get the oil filter out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the dipstick tube out and put this over here. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the headlight out. You pull up on these tabs. There's one, there's two. Now the headlight will slide out. Once you get the headlight slid out, there's a wire connection here that you press and release. All right, so now just get the headlight out of the way. So now you can lift up on the power steering reservoir, and you can take and reach your hand in where the headlight was and pull it out of the way. So now it's sitting inside where the headlight sits, and now you have all the room in the world to get in there to get your oil filter out. It's a 36 millimeter socket. Now you just go ahead and unscrew it, let it drain, and then it'll come right out. Because what I'm always worried about on these is that I'm going to break these little coolant lines that are in the way. All right, everybody, so that's how you get your oil filter out. So to change the oil filter, you want to change this rubber O-ring here, change the filter, put it back together, put the power steering reservoir back in, and then pop the headlight in. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.